How to create a Fiverr Seller account on your mobile phone. So here, all you have to do is to go directly to your browser here. For me, I use my Chrome here. Now it will look like this, and you have to join your account or sign up your account to your Fiverr account here on your browser. The trick here is you cannot actually create your account to the application itself to your mobile because you are only allowed to create a seller account on desktop. So if you want to still make a seller account using your mobile phone, then what you can do is to go here to your browser, and on the upper right you'll see three dots there. Tap on that, and you have to create it as a desktop site. Now it will look like this. So here on the upper right, you will see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon there, and you will see a lot of options there. You will see profile, post and request, refer a friend, become a seller, settings, billings and payments, English, so on and so forth. So since you want to become a seller, then tap on become a seller here. Now just wait for it to load. Now it will look like this. So you can actually scan through that, read those informations and watch those videos. And if there's questions that you want to be answered, there's actually Q&A here, how you can sell, how much money you can make, how much does it cost, or how much time will you need to invest in creating your account or selling or using this account, and how do you price your service, and how do you get paid. And then on the bottom part, tap on get started if you're done with that information, and here tap on continue again, and just read through this and how to make your Fiverr profile successful. Now once you have done reading it, tap on continue there, and here if you're done reading this again and tap on continue, now it will look like this. So here there's actually 4 levels to accomplish. So the first level is to fill out your personal information here. So you just have to go through that information, especially those who have a red mark on there, such as the full name, display name, profile name, description, and languages. Now, if you're done doing that, on continue on the bottom part. And here, you'll be asked your professional information and what your occupation is or what service can you offer, what service you offer, and then your skills there, and then your education and certification. Now, once you're done doing that, tap on continue next, and here you will see your linked accounts. Now under linked accounts, it will look like this. You have actually currently connected your Google account to your Fiverr account, because I use my Google as my username here or my email here on my Fiverr. And then you can actually connect it to your Facebook if you have a Facebook business account for your as a seller account there. And then if you have, then just tap on connect there and tap on continue. Now here they will actually ask for your number and to be verified. Now if it's done, tap on finish there. Now here, your seller profile is all set. Now go ahead and create your first gig to start selling your services, and you can edit your profile information anytime. So tap on done there. And here it will look like this. So here you will be able to edit your gig here, and what do you offer here, your category. Let's say you offer digital marketing here, and then you can just fill out everything. You select your subcategory here, you can put podcast marketing, so on and so forth. And once you're done, you can go for the pricing there, and you can go for descriptions and facts and on how have you come up with such service and the possible questions that your buyers might pop out or come out with. Now if you're done with that, others are requirements here, so they will actually require you for a verification ID. Others ask for, now here you just have to fill out everything up until you go to publish. Now once you arrive to publish, then you are ready to go. The trick here is you cannot actually create your account to the application itself to your mobile because you are only allowed to create a seller account on desktop. So if you want to still make a seller account using your mobile phone, then what you can do is to go here to your browser. You have to create it as a desktop site. And basically that is how you create a Fiverr seller account on your mobile phone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.